In this video, we will show how to link page numbers in a PDF document using the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. To link page number text to the corresponding page, click on the menu button, then click on the Plugins button, select the Links option, click on Generate Links, and choose the Link Text to Nth Page option. Here click on the Edit Appearance button. In this tab, you can select your desired link appearance, such as the colour and link type. When desired settings have been selected, click on the OK button to apply these changed configurations. The software automatically creates links to page N text strings that point to the corresponding page numbers. To inspect the results, click on the page number texts in your PDF document. To link numbers to corresponding pages, click on the menu button. Then click on the Plugins button, select the Links option, click on Generate Links, and choose the Link Numbers to Corresponding Pages option. In this tab, you can select the page number format and edit the link appearance. Once the desired settings have been selected, press on the OK button to apply these configurations. To inspect the links, click on the page number texts in your PDF document. As you can see, the links that represent the page numbers have been added. Visit evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.